Man, why is it so smoky in here? Hey everyone, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. As you can see, we've been having some fun with the 454, but now it's time to get serious. All right, so like I said, it's time to get serious, and the first thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna start ripping off some of this window tint. So we gotta get a heat gun and just start chipping some of this paint off. We're gonna rip off some of these stickers as well, maybe throw on a good old Restoration Rescue sticker. But after that, we're gonna see about cleaning out the interior of this truck and maybe do some grinding on the C10. All right, so I found out that my heat gun is missing, and that was a pain. But we've got the driver's window off. The passengers already had most of it missing. We started on the rear, but that was getting too difficult. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move on and start cleaning out the interior. As you can see, there's some garbage in here. We're gonna grab a garbage bag and start emptying it out. Oh man, this thing is smoky in here. That could be the other two burnouts that I just did. This 454 has some amazing power left in it, and it's just gonna get more powerful as we keep it. This thing is an amazing truck. We ripped off the tint on the driver's side. That took multiple hours. I can't find my heat gun, and I don't have a hair dryer to help heat up the process, so it was mainly just water, a Bic lighter for most of it to loosen some of it up, and it still took forever. Obviously, I don't have a hair dryer because I don't really have that much hair to dry, but we got the interior cleaned up. That thing looks immaculate in comparison. Don't have any dirt left in it. We found some really cool items, like when the previous owner bought this on January 24th of 1996, paid $12,700 for it to include an extended warranty on this thing. at 75,000 miles. He put on another 75,000 miles owning it. This thing sure is amazing. I just can't get over how cool this truck really is, and I can't wait to continue to build it. Unfortunately, we run out of time. We didn't get to touch the C10 this week, but make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys are commenting, and make sure you guys are subscribed, because if you're not subscribed, you're gonna miss out on more awesome content for the C10 and the 454. So we'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the C10.